I surrender and release all beliefs, practices, and mindsets that I once embraced, but that Yah has graciously revealed as hindrances to my growth, trusting Him to replace every lie with His life-giving truth. I acknowledge and make space to process the grief of letting go and the pain of unlearning, allowing Yahuwah's loving presence to transform my grief into gratitude and my sorrow into clarity and freedom through His truth. Through Yahuwah's faithfulness, I rejoice in each new revelation, trusting His Spirit to lead me into all truth and fill my heart with gratitude for His transformative love. I accept that my journey in Yahuwah's truth is deeply personal, meant to refine and transform me from within, not to elevate me or condemn others who are on their unique paths. I trust Yahuwah's truth to illuminate my heart and renew my mind, choosing to focus on His Spirit's refining work in me so I may walk in humility, love, and spiritual power, reflecting His grace. I release the pressure to please others or to appear perfect, and trust Yah to shape me in His perfect timing, embracing the daily renewal of His Spirit with patience and grace. I resist the temptation to chase new teachings and distractions, choosing instead to remain rooted in Yah's process of transformation, knowing that His Spirit is leading me with purpose and intention. I release the need to know everything or have all the answers now, trusting Yah to reveal His truth step by step in His perfect time as I walk in faith, patience, and surrender. I seek intimacy with Yahuwah, trusting in His gentle personal voice to guide me in peace, direction, and strength as His conviction draws me closer to oneness with Him. Through worship, prayer, and surrender, I learn to recognize Yah's voice above all others, knowing His loving words are always leading me into greater peace, trust, and transformation. Hallelujah.